Fact Box proudly presents. The reason this company is not recognized by the people is not because it is a small company, but because this large corporation intentionally wants to distance itself from the public and the media. What are we talking about? In this video, we delve into the lesser-known truths about a Taiwanese company called Foxconn, engaged in the production and assembly of electronic products worldwide. This colossal company controls nearly 40% of the global electronic device market, with over 3 million workers employed across the globe. Foxconn's significance lies in its sky-high profits and its influential position within the technology industry. It's regarded as one of the highest-paying employers in China and Taiwan, dominating the manufacturing and assembly sector. However, the situation for Foxconn's employees tells a different story, one filled with concern and alarm. Workers endure harsh living conditions, with cramped sleeping quarters and limited access to basic facilities. They are allowed only one restroom break during grueling 12-hour work shifts. What's more, their wages are shockingly low, earning a mere $1 to $1.50 per hour. Ethically, Foxconn seems to overlook these issues. Disturbing incidents such as employees being thrown out of dormitory windows have occurred in the past. Even more troubling is the use of underage children, as young as 12 and 13 years old, in production processes. Moreover, Foxconn's excessive use of chemicals has led to severe environmental damage and detrimental health effects on its workers, including an alarming increase in cancer rates. It's crucial to note that Foxconn serves as a major producer and assembler for industry giants like Apple. When you purchase their products, you're indirectly supporting the toil and hardships endured by Foxconn's employees. It's our hope that by shedding light on this information, we can inspire greater consideration for ethical factors and worker conditions when making purchasing decisions and selecting manufacturing companies. Let's remember that our choices can make a difference in the lives of those behind the products we consume. Share this eye-opening video with others and subscribe to our channel for more thought-provoking content.